With this object, you can have several things that the refrigerator can do, such as removing ice, crushed ice, the purified water, putting specific areas in the temperature you want to keep the food you want to keep. Also, options such as turning on the refrigerator lights or opening the doors, scheduling if for inappropriate or to start you to start you have to connect the smart fridge to electric charge. Then you have to download on the app that. And the last thing you need to do it is starting to save all your food in this device. So enjoy it. If you want the fridge more efficient, always close the door firmly and check that the seals around the door are pressed firmly together. You will have to take care of your smart fridge so that it continues to fulfill all functions. Right? Don't forget to subscribe and like.